discovery of a quantical explosive in a flat behind this door in Dublin City this morning might sound like something out of a spy novel, but Gardaí have now established that it was a test of security at Bratislava airport, which the Slovak authorities clearly failed. 8 pieces of contraband were surreptitiously planted in the luggage of unsuspecting passengers last Saturday. 7 were detected by airport security, but the 8th, 90 grams of research development explosive, or RDX, was put into the luggage of an electrician on his way back to Dublin from his Christmas holidays. The 49-year-old unwittingly carried the explosive material to Dublin, where it stayed for 3 days until the Gardaí got a call about it this morning. The flat in Dorset Street was sealed off, the adjoining homes and businesses were evacuated, the roads were closed, and the Army's EOD removed the explosive substance for further analysis. The electrician, who it turned out was as shocked as everyone else, was arrested and detained under Section 30 of the Offences Against the State Act. However, he was released this afternoon without charge, as Gardaí are now satisfied he is completely innocent.